Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 billion signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. The situation worldwide is getting more and more strange, to be honest. I'm gonna start with the declining unemployment rate in United States last Friday, which is something pretty strange, I would definitely say. Is What is going on right now? Simply they add up additional 1 million, approximately, of course, unemployed people in US every week, and the unemployment rate went down, declined with 1.4%, which it doesn't make any sense in general, but that's life. What's going on? NFP unemployment rate. What do we expect this week? Today, US bank holiday. We do expect very slow day. Nothing interesting, but tomorrow, average earning index, climate count change. In UK, 6 a.m. GMT. Wednesday, CPI. In UK, consumer price index, also known as inflation, 6 a.m. in the morning. Core retail sales and retail sales in United States, 12:30. Core CPI in Canada, 12:30. FOMC meeting, probably the economic projection. Sorry, FOMC, probably the event this week. The event, 6 p.m. interest rate decision. Let's see what Federal Reserve is going to do with interest rate, especially in such an environment right now. It's very important what kind of decision they're going to take. Increase, decrease, keep the same interest rate. Thursday, employment change, CPI, and interest rate. The most important events, interest rate in United Kingdom. We're gonna have many opportunities because of these two interest rates in US and UK. And Friday, retail sales in UK and core retail sales in Canada. Follow definitely the calendar. It's gonna be very interesting week. So let's take a look what's going on the charts. Euro US dollar in front of us. Euro is trying to push lower, 1.18. 34. Probably we're gonna see slow day today. US bank holiday, just to remind you about. But I do expect a test of 1.1696, 1.17 round number. Until then, I'm not gonna take any action about the euro, and I'm jumping directly to the GBP USD. GBP continue going down 1.3227, 1.3181 is our next target, 50 pips away from this level, and if we see the prices holding below the 1.3181, we definitely can see price heading to 1.2975. Totally bearish, absolutely. Interest rate decision, federal interest rate decision this Wednesday, definitely gonna give a direction to the majors and to the US dollar, but I think we are on a to the downside of the Great British Pound. Australian, I'm bearish about it, despite the upward trend. You have if you're going to take any sell short trades on the Australian dollar, you have to be very careful, very liquid and very conservative. Until then, I'm just waiting to see what the Australian is gonna do, and like the New Zealand, the same. Reached 0.6755, big drop, of course, considering the price action. 70-80 pips drop, slight correction, and it seems it starts continuing to the downside in order to test 0.6583. So for now, I'm waiting about the New Zealand dollar, nothing much about it. USD Canadian jumping directly to our lovely crude oil and our lovely decline. We talked about it many times. Price reached almost perfect resistance, and I would say even perfect resistance here. Closed the gap and $43.77, and this is it. 3 days in a row, $5 to the downside, and I really hope you took this opportunity because it was a very simple one with very good risk to reward ratio. So crude oil was very good, and it will be very good. I think we're gonna see 34.60 and 30. Why not 30? Not gonna be impossible considering the low demand worldwide of crude oil. So if we see crude going down, USD CAD making the correction that we've been waiting for since the last 2 weeks. 1.3339. From here, USD Canadian, I'm expecting to see correction bigger than these small corrections here, and then continuation to the downside. Until then, probably crude is going to go down more. USD Swiss trying to test 0.9177. Still, we have 30-40 pips away. Until then, I'm going to wait to see if the price is going to continue this range that started, or it's just going to break out in order to test 0.9240. Until then, I'm waiting, but USD Swiss in a long term is a short opportunity. USD Japanese, very quick one about it, simply because it's stalling, it's going up and down and up and down, nothing much, no clear trend, so careful when you're trading USD Japanese. I'm not gonna say anything more about it, just because obviously we have no clear direction. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, thumbs up, shares, and like us on the social medias. Comments below, of course, and expect my new video on Wednesday. Follow the calendar. Fed interest rate decision on Wednesday. Interest rate decision Bank of England on Thursday. Follow that because it's gonna be very interesting. Bye bye for now.